In this video, I will walk you through a detailed Monster Z6 all-in-one PA Bluetooth speaker review by comparing it to standard portable audio systems. When you look at the X6 series, the contrast is immediately clear. While most Bluetooth speakers focus solely on casual listening, this unit is a true public address powerhouse, built for events of any size. It delivers a massive 600 watts of power, which significantly outclasses smaller home speakers that struggle to fill an outdoor space. The trade-off for all that power is usually portability, but Monster counters this with all-terrain wheels and a collapsible height-adjustable tripod. A standout feature here is the versatile array of inputs, allowing you to plug in microphones and instruments simultaneously, making it a winner for live performers compared to basic playback devices. You also get integrated RGB LED lights with app control to set the mood, plus a built-in USB mobile charger to keep your devices alive. It is even weather-resistant, proving it can handle the elements better than most indoor-only competitors. Whether you are hosting a backyard party or a professional gathering, this system adapts to your needs. Thanks for watching our breakdown of this all-terrain party speaker. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more audio gear reviews. Let us know in the comments if you think 600 watts is enough for your next event.